going on, fan clubbers? What's going on, fan clubbers? All right, I'm about to go watch
Harley Quinn
at AMC. There we go, AMC. I hope this movie is good. I know it had good reviews on Rotten Tomatoes and Metacritic and everything, and then it wasn't doing too well, and all of a sudden Warner Brothers is changing the name. Got my ticket or whatever, so I don't know what's going on with this movie, but we're about to go see Birds of Prey, and hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's good. I'm sitting in the nosebleed section because of somebody who I'm watching the movie with. He's alright, he's cool. You'll be introduced to him soon. He's gonna be on my channel, and we're gonna tear it up on YouTube. So, let's check this out. Yeah, doing my vlog thing.
So
alright.
I ordered already.
Oh yeah. Yo, do you mind your voice being on the thing? Alright, cool. And see, he doesn't mind. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, how you gonna skip? Damn, how you gonna skip the line like that? Yo, bro. Damn, you just skipped the line like that? Oh, there we got that popcorn. I thought he skipped like 2 people. But I looked, they already had that popcorn and drink and everything, so I was like, yo, son. How you doing? Alright. Don't mind me, I'm just doing a little vlog thing. Yeah, vlog thing. He's like, oh boy, you're one of those people, huh? It's all good though. And I don't want to run. Let me see. I just take something to drink.
Do you want the large drink or?
Damn, large. Yeah, I'll take the regular. Yeah, I'll take the regular. Alright.
Is that all?
Yeah, I guess that'll be all.
Oh wait, you don't like popcorn?
Yeah, no, I don't fancy popcorn. Alright, there we go. Oh, I'm a.
Do you have stuff?
Oh yeah. Sorry, I gotta cut y'all off. I gotta show up my stuff thing. And we're back. Alright, thanks a lot.
No problem. Have a good night.
Alright, we navigate through this here. People wilding out over there at the concession stand. We get a hell away from there. No problems. Let's see. Damn, huh? Yo, how come all of these is always empty? Whatever. Oh man. Damn. This guy ordered this dude I'm with. This dude I'm with comes to the theater with me, and he already ordered his food, his ticket, and I'm like, yo. And he got over 14,000 points on the AMC stubs as an AMC stub member.
Such a spy, man. Listen, I'm only seeing.
Hey, you want to be seen by my fans? I ain't show you yet. He's shy. He's real shy.
Don't you want to do like the big reveal from when you actually?
He's it. All right, here we go. Going up there. I got a paper ticket. Thank you.
You guys enjoy the movie?
Thank you. Dang. Yo, I gotta go down the line and do my thing, man. Onward. Gotta see that. Nice little Disney and Pixar. Disney movie. Still Believe. Don't know what that's about. Alright. What else? Annabellum. I'm not seeing that. Definitely gotta see that. Black Widow. Yeah. May 1st. Scooby-Doo, right past that. Fast and Furious Theater 6. See that? Theater 6. What's that? I might. I'll probably get kicked out for recording in the movie theater. Alright, I am going back to get some food. Going back to get some food. Only got something to drink. Thirsty, but I'm hungry too. Changed my mind. I think I'm gonna get something to eat. Alright. Let me see. Take some pizza, actually. Yeah, I'll take some pizza.
Would you use pepperoni or barbecue?
Pepperoni is fine. Alright, I gotta cut y'all off again. I gotta do my AMC thing. So I came back to the concessions. Got me 2 pizzas. I'm not gonna sit there, drink, and not eat anything. And I'll be running to the men's room. 2 pepperoni flatbreads, yeah. Well, this is one right now. Can't wait for the other one, yeah. All right, thanks, pal. Wonder Woman. Got to see that. Are you good? So, clubbers, alright, I just came from seeing Birds of Prey. Birds of Prey, the emancipation of one Harley Quinn. And that movie was alright. The stunts kind of reminded me, the fight choreography and stunts kind of reminded me of John Wick. Ewan McGregor, I think he was fantastic as a crime boss. Harley Quinn, Margo Robbie, I think, yeah, she can do no wrong. She is Harley Quinn. Ewan McGregor's character, Black Mask, which is also one of Batman's notable villains. And the other Birds of Prey, females, were kicking ass. I mean, they were magnificent. So all in all, out of 5 Harley Quinns,